Hi, it's Cruice from All Care Physiotherapy. Thanks for joining us tonight. So firstly, congratulations on almost finishing your career. And secondly, let's talk about All Care Physiotherapy and why you would want to come work for us. All Care Physiotherapy, it's a long-established clinic. It's been going for 26 years. I've been the director through that whole period and I'm still working here at the clinic. Our clinic has multiple areas in it that gives experience. So firstly, we have our rooms, which is where I'm sitting in at the moment, where we do our outpatients type treatments. We also look after a whole list of Brisbane's best orthopaedic surgeons and neurosurgeons up at the Brisbane Private Hospital. So we look after their private inpatient work. We also look after a couple of sporting teams, as well as we have a rehab component here at our gym where we do exercise classes and rehab for our clients. So we're going to talk a little bit more as we walk around the practice. So at All Care, this is one of our private rooms at our clinic. So our ethos at All Care is basically private one-on-one physiotherapy. We don't use any physio aids. So you as the physiotherapist has total control over what happens with your clients. And we get to know our clients because most of our clients here at the practice, about 98%, are private clients who work in the city or are referred to us via our other areas of our practice work, like the sports or our orthopaedic surgery. So, what do we do? Our ethos is based on three main areas. We're very much a hands-on practice, so we use manual therapy, we use dry needling, and we use other evidence-based modalities. For example, we've recently got ourselves a shockwave therapy, which we use for a lot of our people with tendon pain. So when you come work with us, you will get experience across this aspect of our practice, and obviously with part of this we do training through all of our protocols. So what about private hospital work? All Care Physiotherapy looks after a range of Brisbane's best orthopaedic surgeons and neurosurgeons at the Brisbane Private Hospital, which is about a 200 to 300 metre walk up the hill, okay, very close to our practice. So you will gain experience across all their protocols, seeing surgery from straight day one or day zero through to their discharge and then progressing their rehab down here at the clinic. So you'll get the best of both worlds working at All Care Physiotherapy. So we've looked at our rooms treatments, we've looked at our hospital work. So what about sports coverage? All Care Physiotherapy also looks after a couple of sporting teams. We look after North Rugby Union in the Premier Rugby competition, and we're also involved in terrace basketball at Gregory Terrace, part of the GPS competition. So when you come on board, you'll have experience across these sports as well. Once again, furthering your first year experience at All Care. So the last experience you'll get at All Care Physiotherapy is part of our rehab team. We run rehab classes here in our rehab gym. So we make sure our patients get out of pain, recover from injury, okay, using part of our equipment. We have a couple of Pilates reformers plus other rehab equipment around in our studio. You'll learn all our techniques that we use on a day-to-day basis to get our patients improved and increased function. The other thing we will do as part of our new grad program is make sure that we send you off and do a Pilates course, one of the ones that we recommend. And we also will send you off to a dry needling course. So you are part of our team and have got the techniques across the board to be part of our team going forwards in the future. So last thing as well is we also value each of our members of the team. So if you have a special interest you would like to go in towards, we will support that as part of the team. So we've had people who love women's health, so we're supporting them through into that part of the practice. So finally, if you're interested in being part of our team, make sure you sign up next week to have a one-on-one interview with me. Or if you're really keen, the best thing for you to do is send your CV and cover letter to admin@allcarephysiotherapy.com.au and we will bring you in for a face-to-face interview where you can see our clinic face-to-face. Thank you.